And this has been a very productive corner over here. We have carrots ready to go and ground beef ready to go. I have to make broth for the beef because I don't think I have any beef broth downstairs in the pantry. And I have to fill those up. All right, and blanched the carrots and filled them with hot water. So, they'll end up being processed tomorrow. And that's another 30 minutes at 10 pounds of pressure, so that's 35 minutes at 11 pounds of pressure for me. All right, guys. Wow, look at them go. It's carrots and green beans. So we processed these carrots for 35 minutes. And the green beans for 35 minutes because they're both in the same canner. Look at them bubble. Alright. Wow, look at that one go, man. Woo! It's on fire! Alright, and the green beans. Woohoo! Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 8 jars of carrots and 5 jars of green beans.